Gonna make that groove, hook in with that part of the spring. I've sprayed it down with some lube to kind of grease it up a little bit. Key is gonna be to get that to catch. Once it catches, then I can wind it up. There we go. So we got it to catch. So I'm hoping if I crank it around, I can get it to get a lot of tension behind it. This is from a 1984 Honda 185S 3-wheeler. Pull start. The rope broke. And we put it on, but we didn't put it on correctly. The rope got, the way we did it, we hooked it up basically, and when we pulled it, it didn't recoil. It just stayed out halfway, and then the next time we pulled it, it stayed out a little bit more, and then the next time a little more, so the recoil wasn't good. But this was a video, Frost, 777, Frost and some numbers behind it. Was a guy that had a video on YouTube that I watched earlier, and this is how he did it. And this is pretty tight, right about there. So. Oh, it's getting ready to slide. I've got a vise. I'm going to hook onto it in a second. Once I get it around. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is right here is the hole that the rope comes through, right there. So I got those lined up. Let me grab. Alright, hopefully it doesn't slip. Alright, what I'll do is I got the rope here, and the rope's got wire taped to the end of it, and I'm going to pull this wire. Now that there's tension on the spring, I'm going to try to work this through. So I can pull my rope through. Where I was messing up before was I was hooking the rope on first and then trying to wind it up. So I'm hoping winding it up without the rope and then getting the rope through is going to work. Alright, so I got it down in there. So now I'm going to pull the rope through. Hopefully. Oh man. Looks like the tape. Oh, the tape's not going to do any good. Oh, come on. I'm going to have to retape it. Alright, so I got that through. I have to retake this. Dang it. Man, it keeps slipping. What is the deal? see, hopefully it doesn't slip now. Alright. That rope's in there. Let me get some pliers. So I got the rope there. So I'm holding it here. I'm going to release. And it's going to slowly wind it in. Alright, so I got it held there. It's got tension, it's tight. So we got this handle here. washer goes here. You got these little fingers. Stick in these grooves. And sorry for the, I know this is kind of far into the video. Sorry for the GoPro angle. I had a tripod, but the cameras that I've used now really don't have any way to hook into the tripod, so I figured out, since the GoPro came with the helmet, or the head mount, so I figured I would try it to see how it works, so I could have my hands free, and basically the camera could be looking at what I'm looking at. So I do apologize if it's kind of hard to see or anything, but I thought it would be neat to try it with this. I tried it before, but I just kind of walked around the garage and looked around at different things. But alright, so these are like little tiny clips, and they basically hook into each of these fingers. The only problem I have right now with the three-wheeler, it was this rope. Originally the rope broke, and then when the rope broke, I took it all apart, and then I traded this bike to my brother for some stuff, and he basically got all the parts in a bucket, and he didn't know how to do the decompression cable, and so he never put that back on, and he put it back together without it, and the rope didn't work right because he tried putting it together with the rope hooked to the pulley, not like what I just did. That's how I tried it earlier, but it didn't work. But after going back online and looking at Frost's video, I saw to wind it up without the rope on it, then hook the rope to it, which I just did. But right now I'm missing the decompression plastic piece that goes here, and hopefully it's at his house, but he's supposed to be looking for it this weekend. Actually, that doesn't go there. I've already got one washer there. This plate goes on next. Oh, forgot the spring. Sitting here talking and forgetting what I'm doing. Alright, so the spring goes in the middle. Let me get this here. But I figured I'd make a video because I was curious how to do this. And I watched the video earlier from Frost, and he was, I think, was doing a 125. And his had a big bolt here in the middle, where this one's got all this spring and all this other stuff here in the middle, this little clip. So I figured I would do a video for the 185 three-wheeler. There we go. Alright, so this sucker's back together, and that's pretty strong. I think we're good. I think that's going to work. So now I need to find the decompression pieces to go there, and I need to get this thing hooked back up. As you can see, it goes here. Alright. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you got a little bit out of it. Sorry that actually, I'm probably going to grease all this up. Make it a little bit slick and make sure it's working properly, sliding good. But thanks for watching. Sorry for the angle. Hopefully it wasn't too bad. But Big Germ's Garage, fixing a pull start for a Honda 185S three-wheeler.